Is FaceTime not working on your iPhone after the iOS 27 update? Here are a few fixes. Basic troubleshooting. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select F. Tap FaceTime from the list of apps. If FaceTime is already enabled, turn it off. Wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Give FaceTime a few moments to reactivate. Now, open FaceTime and check if it's working properly. If the issue continues, force close the Settings app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find the Settings app and swipe up to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Settings. Go back to Apps and select FaceTime. Turn the FaceTime toggle on. Stay on the FaceTime settings page for about a minute. Then, open FaceTime and check if it's working properly. If the activation issue continues, check your reachable addresses. Stay on the FaceTime settings page. Find you can be reached by FaceTime at. Make sure your phone number and Apple account email address are selected. If your phone number is stuck activating, try selecting only your Apple account email address temporarily. Then, open FaceTime and test it again, if the problem continues. Disable call filters. Look for silence unknown callers or other call filtering options. If any of these features are enabled, temporarily turn them off. This helps prevent unknown or unsaved callers from being filtered or silenced. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. Then check if FaceTime is working properly. If the issue continues, reset settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart automatically. This won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or other personal data. Once the reset is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Then open FaceTime and check if it's working properly. Hopefully, one of these methods fix the FaceTime issue on your iPhone. And that's it.